Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make cheesecake brownies. They come up together for two desserts and when they collide, whoa, the taste in your mouth is just amazing. So, let's get started. Alright, get a medium to large saucepan over a bowl. Put in about 150 grams of butter. And then chuck in 250 to 300 grams of dark chocolate. Now just mix it stir. And basically, this part is going to be what about the butter and the chocolate have melted. But be very careful not to burn the chocolate. Alright, this is ready. Now, take this off the heat and put it aside for about 5 minutes just to cool down a little bit. Alright, now this is of course officially beat 2 eggs. Which I got here and just mix that in. Just to temper the eggs. Mix it in really, really well. Now 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and then just mix that in. Oh, this looks so good. I just want to stuff my face in it right now. Then add 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And 1.5 cups of plain flour. And then just mix it in until it's nice and combined. And now in a mixing bowl, put about 250 grams of cream cheese and 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Gonna let your mixer and cream it into while you're fluffing. Oh, make sure you have your mixer plugged in. Alright, we're now just add 1 egg to it. And then just mix it in until it's just combined. There you go. Nice and creamy, just what we want. Alright, get a baking pan, give it a good grease. And put some of the chocolate mixture in. And just spread out evenly. And then you put some of the cream cheese mixture in here. And just spread it out a little bit. Doesn't have to be quite even, just spread out as best as you can. then you get the rest of the chocolate mixture. And then put the rest of the cream cheese mixture. And then spread out the best you can. And then the best part is we're also gonna swirl this. And then I'll get a skewer and just swirl it around. Alright, that's a swirling. Now to preheat your oven about 350 degrees and put it for 30 to 40 minutes. Just check out the 30, stick a toothpick in. If it comes out dry, which is a little bit moist, it's ready. But if it comes out wet, it's not quite ready. Give it another 15 minutes. Alright, beautiful. Now just leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it cool before you take it out, cut them into pieces, and then eat. This is so yummy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for cheesecake brownie, as you can see. Oh, so good. And they're really nice to have warm, so give it a taste. So moist and delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.